Good morning. How are our 3 babies today? We're on the morning of the first day. They're 24 hours old. And going really well. Had a really good night. Yeah, a really good night. She's doing better too. Less swollen. I've been doing a hot compress, trying to loosen some of the caked milk up. And she's on antibiotics as a prevention. And we've been expressing a little bit, but she is a bit looser this morning than last night. You feel a bit better? Good girl. And all the babies have latched on, been nursing, which does help a lot. Oh, if anyone who's not a breeder who's wondering what this is, it's called a snuggle safe. It's this pink disc that you can put in the microwave and it just holds the heat a bit better than a hot water bottle. So most of my litters under a week old will have one of these in with them. And they crawl onto it like a little heated island when she comes out for something to eat. Hi, Rev. Oh, you're such a good girl. They're your babies. Good morning, Revy. I think we're on day 3 today. And it hasn't been a very straightforward anything with her. So I would have mentioned in a previous clip, but she was very swollen and caked and had a lot of backed up milk, and we did think mastitis for a little while, but we got her on antibiotics, and I was heat compressing and expressing milk, and yeah, it's been pretty full on. We got them latched onto a couple, but they tend to have favourite teats, so yeah, I just couldn't get them on the really big swollen ones. But we've got it cleared up, I think, now. And since then, we've had the opposite happen, where she hasn't had enough milk for them. So we've got her on something for that too. And I don't want to sup feed because I don't want them to become reliant on that, and then her milk will adjust to their needs. So I'm just giving a little bit to take the edge off, because they have been really quite loud, especially the smaller one. But we've had a good morning. They've all gained overnight, and she's very calm. And the kittens seem a bit calmer too. Good girl. Look at those eyes. You're so pretty. So we'll just see how we go. Good girl, Rev. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Revy. We're on the 4th day, I think. And I think we're finally out of the woods. Hey, babies. Just doing a blanket change. Here we go. Yep. They're very noisy children, these guys. Yeah, very noisy. There you go. Yep. All that one is. That one's very noisy.